Here is the assembly lesson you have been waiting for, turning a single bloom into a gorgeous, full stem. Here is everything we all need: tiny paper buds, the flower head, a calyx, leaves, white glue, and a few basic tools. Let's start by showing how the leaves go together. These leaves are finished, but they still need stems, so we all glue one on. I am using 24-gauge wire or close enough anything in that range works. Add a little white glue right here. Dab more glue inside, pinch the paper around the wire along the crease, clip it with a tiny clothespin, adjust, and let it dry. I have pre-made 10 of these. Let's demo how to group them. I like sets of 5, overlap 2, twist the wires together, then add the rest. Space them however you like, vary heights so the cluster looks natural. Give the wires a gentle bend to set the shape. Almost done now. Wrap floral tape down the stem to hide the wire and keep everything tidy. Floral tape is sticky, stretch and pull as you wind, so its own adhesive locks and one hat unwind. Once taped, no extra glue is needed, just tear and press the end. Leaf bundle finish, repeat for the rest. With leaves ready, let's move on to the flower itself. You all need a calyx. And what gauge is this? Probably 3 or 4 floral wire, plus this little stem support. Twist the bottom, snip off the excess with scissors. Wrap a bit of double-sided tape around the tip. Slide it up the wire. Feed it through from below. Adjust the position. And add hot glue from underneath. Stand it upright and let the glue cool completely. Once cool, dot hot glue on 4 spots around the petal base. Slide the head on carefully. Let it set a moment, then position buds a little higher and wrap them to the stem. Add a few more buds, all slightly higher, and wrap. Once buds are in place, attach the leaf bundles the same way. It looks messy now, but we'll tweak the angles in a second. Wrap floral tape over everything because of camera angle. I'll skip the full wrap, but I'll show the finished stem. After final shaping and a gentle bend, you get this gorgeous realistic jasmine spray.